how to make your first $100 with Instagram. Hey, what's up and welcome to a new video. In this video I want to talk about how you can make your first $100 with Instagram, and it's actually a lot easier than you think. But before I get into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to not miss when I upload a new video, because I upload 2 videos a week now with lots of Instagram tips, tricks and strategies. So step number 1 is build a following. Now, in contrast to what most people usually think, you don't need thousands of followers. In fact, you only need like a few hundred up to 1,000 followers, which you can easily gain within 2 to 4 weeks. If you want to learn how to build that following, make sure to watch the other videos on my channel. Step 2, create a product or service. Now, this can be a very simple product or service. However, it has to solve a problem that your audience has. So in my case, it could be something that teaches people how to build their own following and how to monetize it on Instagram. And this can be obviously an ebook, a video course, a coaching service, or an account management service. Step number 3 is deliver massive value up front. And you can do that simply by posting daily hacks, tips, tutorials, something that people find value in. Also with daily stories, sending messages to people, and so on and so forth. The goal here is to show authority, build trust, and build meaningful connections. And the cool thing about Instagram is that it gives you a ton of different features so that you can go ahead and show your personality and build those great relationships with your audience. And then step number 4 is obviously pitch your offer. And the best tool for that is stories, because stories are only visible for 24 hours and therefore you won't spam people too much. But make sure if you pitch something, always follow the hook, story, offer principle. So hook is obviously an amazing result or lifestyle that your audience wants. Story is obviously a story, like for example how you achieve that and how you can help those people achieve the same result. And then offer is obviously the offer, the product or service that I explained before. And to top that, give people a strong reason to why this offer is a no-brainer and why they should take on this offer right now. So you could limit it to a certain number of people or only for a limited time, or just say the price will increase after like 2 days or something like that. So if you follow these 4 simple steps, I promise that you will be able to make your first $100 even if you have less than 1,000 followers. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found value in this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And as I mentioned before, subscribe to this channel because I upload 2 videos every single week with lots of Instagram tips, tricks, strategies, similar to what I just taught you guys. And don't forget to check out my personal account because I also upload there daily Instagram hacks for you on how to build a following and how to monetize it. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.